In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the original message header info. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open an email's raw header in Gmail, what you're looking at, and how to copy or download it for troubleshooting or security checks. First, open Gmail. Head to gmail.com in your browser and sign into your account. A desktop browser makes this process easiest because the layout clearly shows the options we need. Next, open the email you want to inspect. Click the message so it fully expands in the reading pane. If it's part of a conversation, make sure the specific message you care about is the one that's expanded. You want to be looking at the full content of that single email before you access the original header information. Now look to the top right corner of the open email, just next to the reply button. Click the three vertical dots to open more options. Be sure you're clicking the dots within the message itself, not the ones in your browser toolbar or Gmail's overall menu. From that dropdown, select Show Original. This tells Gmail to reveal the unformatted behind-the-scenes details for this exact message. A new tab or window will open showing the original message header and raw content. At the top, you'll see the message ID, which is a unique identifier the sending system assigns. You'll also see from and to details as they appear in the technical header, which can help you confirm the real sender information. Next are the received lines. These list the mail servers that handled the message, in order, which is useful for tracing the path the email took and spotting unusual detours or delays. You'll also see authentication results for SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. These are checks that help verify whether the message was authorized by the sending domain and hasn't been tampered with. A pass generally indicates the sender's domain setup is correct, while a fail may be a red flag worth investigating further. Scroll down to view the full raw email content, including all headers and the message body in its original format. If you need to share this with your security team or support, you can copy the text directly or use the Download Original button to save the entire message as a file. Be mindful when sharing, since headers can contain email addresses, timestamps, and routing details. That's it. You've opened the original header in Gmail, reviewed the key fields, and learned how to copy or download the data for analysis.